Hello! Let's try an experiment together. This is a combination of seeds, nuts, grain, and bean that I am trying for the first time to make curds. 2 tablespoons of toasted seeds, flax, pumpkin, sunflower. Put them in a dry grinder jar. 3 tablespoons of toasted peanuts. These are all dry roasted. Cover and grind well. First you get this coarse texture, but the oils start getting released. It'll be a bit sticky and clumped together. This is good. Mix and grind again. It's going to get more buttery, more sticky, forms into a soft ball. And this is so yummy actually. Add 1 tablespoon oats, 1 tablespoon of plain soy milk powder. First, a little bit of water, maybe 1/4 cup. Blend well. It should be creamy and as smooth as possible. At this point, it's thick. It's going to get turned into milk now. Add some more water. Blend again. Pour it into a vessel. I should have probably used a bigger vessel. You'll see why soon. Pour some water into the jar, shake it, get everything out, mix it into the milk. Add some more water. And more. So totally 4 cups water. It's going to be quite thin, but that's okay. It's going to thicken while you boil it. Start cooking. Stir often so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Mix well. Keep a constant eye and monitor and stir. Otherwise, oops. Turn off the heat if it boils over. And then start it up again. Keep the heat at the lowest setting. Keep stirring and simmering on the low setting. If it doesn't boil over, you just reduce the heat and keep doing this. Once in a while, stir and simmer, stir and simmer. Do this for about 20 to 30 minutes and then turn it off. Let it cool to a little warmer than lukewarm temperature. A thick layer of cream will form on top. Just roughly mix it in. It doesn't have to be very smoothly mixed in. Test with a clean finger. It should be comfortable to keep your finger there. Add in some vegan curds as a starter. Cover and allow it to ferment for anywhere between 10 to 24 hours. First, send it some loving energy. Talk to the cultures. Tell them to eat up all the yummy, yummy proteins in the milk and turn it into delicious vegan curds. After about 16 hours. Looks good. So the texture is creamy. It's not super thick, but it's creamy and nice. It smells good too. Let's give it a taste test. Yum! Turned out really well, soured very nicely. This curd can be used in place of animal milk curd in anything you make, like buttermilk curd rice, avial, raita, majge huli, wherever you like. Visit Veganosaurus.com for personal dairy alternatives workshops, vegan coaching, and more. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!